Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video we will continue our configuration. In the last video we have now how to make VLAN and how to put the client in the VLAN and how the client in the same VLAN can ping each other. So in this video we will configure how the client in VLAN 10 can ping to the VLAN 20. There is two way. The first one is router on stick, which is use router, and the second one is with SVI, which is use multi-layer switch. But in this video we will configure router on stick, not multi-layer switch virtual interface. So we will use router. Let's configure. Let's link it first, and then click the router. Enable configure terminal. Turn on the interface first. No shutdown. Exit. And then move the switch first. Okay. Not if interface of switch that link to the network device. Example, in this topology, the interface first Ethernet 0/5 of switch that's linked to the router. So we have to configure switch port mode trunk on the first Ethernet 0/5. Why? If you not configure the switch port mode trunk, this it will be the switch can't bring the package from VLAN that he has to the network. So make sure you configure the switch port mode trunk. And to configure the switch port mode trunk, get into the interface and then switch port mode trunk. Exit. Let's see. Do show interface trunk. Now there is fast Ethernet 0/5 mode on status trunking. So we have made the switch port mode trunk. Okay, back to the router. Now in router on stick, we will use sub interface. How to configure sub interface? The interface of router that link to the VLAN and then add dot add point VLAN ID. From this topology, we'll interface first Ethernet 0/0 point the VLAN ID is 10. Enter. And then encapsulation dot 1q 10 IP address. The IP address is the default gateway of the client in VLAN. It will 192.168.10.1 and the subnet mask 255.255.0. Exit. Now let's try ping. Here it is. Let's IP first. 0.2, 10.1. And in here, 0.3, 0.1. Exit. Let's try ping. Successful and successful. If you just configure switch port mode trunk and not configure the sub interface, it will can't ping. Why? Because the VLAN don't have a gateway to enter the network. So make sure you make the sub interface. Let's make sub interface for the VLAN 20. Interface slash ethernet 0/0.20 encapsulation dot 1q20 IP address 192.168.20.1 exit. uh no, why it got erased? I know. Let's try ping. Successful and successful. Let's try ping between VLAN. Successful and successful. So in the router on stick, what thing you have to pay attention is make sure interface of switch that link to the network device is in switch port mode trunk, and in the router you have to make sub interface. If you have VLAN 30, so interface fast ethernet 0/0.30. If the interface is fast ethernet 0/1, so it will interface fast ethernet 0/1.10.20, just like that. If you not configure the sub interface, the switch will don't know where he have to bring the package from VLAN. Maybe that's all for Router Stick. Thank you for watching this video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.